Moi kaikki! Today I have a very special video. It is my first ensimmäinen collaboration for this channel. So, I would like to introduce to you a very special guest today. Drumroll. Varpu from Her Finland. Now, maybe some of you have already heard of her. She is also another Finnish blogger, YouTuber, Instagrammer. She really does the whole shebang. And she was lovely enough to agree to do a little collaboration for this week's Word of the Week video. So without any further ado, I'll let Varpu introduce herself and also introduce this week's word.
Hey! My name is Varpu. I'm the founder of Her Finland. I am a Finland online coach and I help you when you want to learn the Finnish language or you want to get to know the Finnish culture and lifestyle. I'm so excited to be here, and one of my favorite words in Finnish is lintu. Lintu means a bird. Now there are three reasons why that is one of my favorite words. One, I love to be in the nature. Second one being lintu is actually one of the oldest words in Finnish. So when researchers have studied the Finnish language, they are finding layers, and lintu is one of those ancient words that really connect me with my heritage. And the third reason is due to Finnish mythology, because there are lots of birds like the swan or swallows or owls or woodpeckers. All of those have special meanings in the Finnish mythology and in ancient Finnish lifestyles, and I am just fascinated about those. So that's why lintu is a cool word.
So as you just heard, this week's word was lintu, 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 which means bird. Lintu. Now, I also wanted to mention something quite exciting that I think a lot of you would be very, very interested in. So, Varpu on her website, Her Finland, actually has 2 free Finnish courses. That's right, they're free. The first one is called Connect with Finns. It's about the Finnish culture. Second one is called Spark Your Finnish, and she describes it as kind of sparking off your Finnish language journey in 30 minutes. So it's kind of a taster, a mini course to the Finnish language. So I'll leave the links to both of those free courses in the description box down below. She does have a few other paid courses on her blog, and I just wanted to highlight the one that I think could be most of interest to all of you guys. It's called Conversational Finnish for Beginners, and she did grant me access to it, so I was able to kind of browse through it and check it out, and I do think a lot of you would be quite interested in it and would find it useful, so I'll also leave the link to that down in the description box below. So kiitos again to Varpu for joining me today on my channel, and I hope your takeaway from this video is lintu. 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 Bird. And I guess that just about concludes this video, so till next time, kiitos!